Today is February 2nd, Wednesday. I want to talk about looking at the pre-market level before the trading session starts. It really helps on your entries, can give you some idea before you entering your trades. Usually what I look for is high of the level and the low of the level. And also I look at if I see a line that price is respecting as a support or resistance. So this level here, I see that the price is respecting on both ends. When it goes above, it bounces. When it goes under, it bounces from it. So this level here was a level for me, and then another one was the high of this level here, pretty much right around here. We're just touching most of the prices, and then another one I did is this low of the level here, which is this area here. So I have 3 levels here from the pre-market area before the start trading. I also look at the trend lines. If I see any clear trends go into the trading day, something like this. If we see the price coming here and having this low of the pre-market level plus that trend line can be a good area for price to bounce. Or if it breaks through, then can be a good idea to see that the price maybe go to the next level. So earlier the price broke this level uptrend here from this level. This was the high of the pre-market area here. Another thing I do is look at the volume profile and look at the low volume areas here. These areas usually the price wants to visit these areas, or the price can bounce from these areas, or if it breaks it may continue down more. So I mark these areas, one here, and I am marking another one here, another one right here, and we have one more below here, this level here, and we have another one here that I'm not sure if the price right now we need that one. And this is the last one here. So far the price, we see that made a bounce here, and we saw another higher low here. So we have a trend going up slowly, and we have this Vwap level here, and we have the moving averages on top of that. So I have 2 things in my mind right now. Either the price is going to do a bounce here where the Vwap and this level here. We also have this pre-market support resistance line here. So the price either is going to come here and make a bounce and continue this uptrend, or if we see the bar crossing all this and close underneath, then we may see the test the low of the pre-market area here. And if this one doesn't hold, then the next target could be that low volume area here, which we marked before. So these are the ideas that I'm looking at it. Now the price is trying to close under this trend line here, and it made a bounce on that support resistance level here, and it closed outside of that trend line under the Vwap here. Now we have this support resistance level here we drew earlier, and it just broke that one.
Order filled.
And then I decided to enter it here. I didn't see a bounce or pullback. Price seems to be holding here, so I did 2 contracts short, and my target is gonna be this low of the pre-market area here. And here price did a pullback, and my stop is gonna be right above this Vwap level here. And earlier we had this down move here, and you can see that it can be a channel here, and we may be able to see something like that. So this is the first leg pullback, and the second leg here to the low volume area. But I want to take my profit on that low of the pre-market level here first, because we saw that earlier we had some buyers here. We see some buyers trying to buy it from here, from this wicks here. Now the price is running through. And touched it. And I wanted to take a profit there. I moved my take profit, but I missed that first touch. Looking for the second pullback to exit the trade.
Target filled. Target filled.
And reach my 2 targets. Okay, so the price went through, and then now I'm gonna look if this is going to close under. And if this close under this pre-market level here, then we may see possible test this low volume area here. And the price reached that bottom of that low volume area here. And now we have this trend line on that 1 minute to see if this is going to hold and gonna test this next level here, or this area is going to hold and break in this trend line and go back up. So far, every time the price reaches this level here, we saw that the buyers are keep coming in, and then now break that trend here and trying to close outside. And after that, buyers keep showing up here and breaking this trend line here. We saw that the price is grinding up, holding this trend here, and then went above that pre-market level here, and then now retested that VWAP area and go back to the range area here.